right, so it is really starting
It's beginning to
a lot
look a lot like Christmas.
And our producer thought that she should test us in our gift wrapping skills. Why not? Because we have every skill in the whole world. I don't know what them do.
Like
And
that.
her gift to us is testing her one-handed skills. Eh?
We just.
But it's not one hand because she going to use one hand and I going to use one hand, so it's still two hands.
One the twin powers will activate. Come
So
here,
we must wrap dips with just one hand. That should be interesting. This is easy. Together. All right, I am the left hand. Come over here. You are the right hand.
You sure
No,
about that?
come over there. You are the right hand. Me still the left hand, but come over there. So this is what we're wrapping. How much time we have, by the way?
Nev, lift up that. Lift up this.
Lift it up.
Yeah.
She said 2 minutes.
Lift it up. We only need one sheet, right?
Very simple.
Okay. So you can't use your left hand. I'm the left hand.
See, no, you never tell that, you know. You say one hand. I'm using one hand and she using one hand.
One is the left, one is the right.
She is the right hand.
All right, come.
You just don't because we already.
All right. Come.
Dummy boo.
Yeah.
Can you just let me do that since it's easier and you actually I can't tear the tape with my left hand. So it's easier for you, dexterously speaking.
You just call me dummy boo on television?
No. Yes.
But after I set up the thing right, set it up.
But I can't tear the tape with my left hand.
Yeah, but set it up right. Yeah? Not a problem.
Good.
We done that.
Jingle bell.
That's simplistic. We don't even need 2 minutes. We need about 2 seconds. Done.
Put up a little one here.
One more? Ah! Whew.
Without cutting yourself.
Actually, you tell me
Never wash it. Good job.
You help me now?
Oh, I can't. That's right. Okay. Gosh.
Ooh.
You cut yourself?
Oh, me
Give
can.
me your right hand over. Should be in that with your right hand.
Should be
And
in.
then shove up it so.
Shove up it
Yeah.
so.
And then catch up it up yourself.
Yeah.
And then tape it. La, la, la,
We can get
la,
our word.
la.
Simple thing.
Do you need a Christmas
Shove
word?
up it so.
Wrapping present.
How much time leave?
Shh, don't ask.
1 minute? No, sir.
Soup.
No, sir.
Would you like us to wrap something here? We don't put on the boat yet. Come on, man, Nev. It's gonna hitch up in your ear. Okay, wait.
We have to do all that
Catch
too?
over it. Turn it over, sir.
Hold on, I think so now.
Oh, wait. You know, that is your problem in life. You're too ambitious.
Man.
Well, you just knock it like
30 seconds, you know.
It's your fault.
Oh, it can be my fault. Me even know what me I do. So what we need bow for?
Wait now.
We don't give nobody no bow.
You don't have to bow.
Wait a minute.
Yeah?
Hold on.
Go on, catch yours down there, sir.
Yeah?
Catch over it, sir.
Catch over it, so. And tape.
Keep him
Hold
now.
on. You have 10
Go on,
seconds.
quick, fast. We soon come back.
Who is the number one?